Okay, everyone, so you're coming to Japan, and I'm going to do a quick GPS overview so you understand where you're flying into, so you have a perspective on where everything is in Japan. So here we are. Here's the country of Japan, and now we're going to go into Tokyo. Tokyo's the biggest city, 37 million. You have two airports you can fly into, Narita or Haneda. Haneda is the original airport right in the center of Tokyo, pretty close. Narita is outside the newer airport. So let me give you a little perspective now because people always ask the question, should I fly into Narita or Haneda? You can fly into either one, whatever one the connections work the best. But most international flights you're going to find are going to come into Narita because it's the larger airport. There's more connections. So if you find a good flight into there, go for it. It's about an hour bus trip into the center of town so you can get to our hotel, which is the Asakusa No Hotel. Now, Haneda Airport, on the other hand, is very close to Tokyo, maybe only a half hour from the hotel, much easier to get to, not as many connections. So you have to decide what's better for you depending upon the flight availability. Our hotel is more in the center of town, the Asakusa No Hotel. Now, this is in an amazing area of great historical district, great shopping. Everything about this area is just absolutely amazing. You're going to love it. We're going to spend a couple days in Tokyo. Then after that, we're going to catch the Shinkansen down to Nagoya. It's about an hour and a half down there on a high-speed train. It's absolutely an amazing experience. Nagoya is the home, if you will, of Toyota. And so we're going to spend 3 days in Nagoya. It's going to be fantastic. After that, we're going to spend our last day down in Kyoto, the former capital of Japan for over 1,000 years. This is one of the most amazing cities in the world. And Kyoto is right near Osaka. Now, our hotel is right in the center of town. Then our hotel right here, lots of great shopping around it, right near the train station. Everything's really good. You're going to love that place as well. But then on Sunday morning, we're going to depart and we're going to get you on a bus. It costs about $20 to go to the KIX airport in Osaka. Now, Osaka is a major business city, lots of flights in and out of there. So you fly into Tokyo, you fly out of KIX or Osaka airport. Now, if for some reason you can't find a good flight out of Osaka and it's difficult, in the morning you can just catch a flight from Osaka back up to Narita or to Haneda Airport. Again, about a 45-minute flight, very quick, very easy, tons of flights going up there, and then catch your connecting flight back home. Hopefully that kind of explains and gives you a little bit of an overview on coming to Japan, the airports, the layouts of the country, and where we're going to be spending our time. Thanks a lot.